It's Sunday. I'm gonna get Coda a playpen. Since I'll be working 12 hours, I'm gonna get him a playpen, and I'm gonna order him the fake grass thing where they can potty. So that way, because I don't know anybody here in the state, and I don't have anybody to take him out, so he's gonna need to be able to potty and stuff. So I'm gonna get him that fake grass. It is raining outside. It's been raining all week, really. We're just gonna exchange something. I'm gonna exchange his soap dispenser. I want to get a different one. Get him that playpen. Let's head to the store. So here's the indoor outdoor playpen I was talking about. It's only $30 here, and online it's like $50, $60, so it's a pretty good deal. So I think I'm gonna get this for him. Okay, mom got me the soap actually, and it's the same brand as the one she has, but oh, that one's crooked. I'm gonna get this. I like the fact that it comes with the holder in here. I'm gonna show you the one that she got me. She got me this one, same brand, but it kind of blends too much with the countertop, and I wanted something to contrast it, so I'm gonna get that. Look at the ducks! Oh my goodness, look at them. There's a whole army of them. Bye, duckies! So I'm back home now. I'm gonna attempt to put this thing together, so I'll show y'all when I'm done. I set up his little playpen. Not little, because it is big. It's actually meant for labs, and this is what it looks like. Pretty big. Lots of space for him to play while I'm gone. I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Target and Ross. So let me set it up to show y'all. At Ross, I got these exfoliating gloves because, I don't know, I just want to get more into skincare, self-care. So really, I got a lot of skincare items or self-care items. I got this exfoliating glove conditioner by Herbalisophy. I've never used them before. I just got it because I need a conditioner. But it's black castor oil. It's strengthen and growth repair. I also got this honey hand soap for the kitchen. Body wash is lavender and argan oil. I need some makeup wipes, of course, and coconut oil. White shower curtain. It has cute little patterns in it, so I like that about it. It's not just plain white. And this one was only $8.99, so pretty affordable. Grapefruit and mango body scrub. Also got this toilet brush. It was only $6.99. Eucalyptus soap. Also got this egg cart. It's like super chic and nice and clear, so this is gonna look really good in the fridge. And in total, I spent $91. Even though I said everything was pretty affordable, it added up real quick. Like real quick. Okay, let's run through these Target things. So I have this one, row organizers. They're stackable trays. Also, my mom surprised me with this rug, y'all. So I was laying in my bed and I heard like a boom 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 on my door. You know the delivery services be knocking on your door like they're the damn police, and I'm not used to like being here by myself yet, so it kind of like scared me. But she ordered me a rug. Thank you, mama. Really appreciate that. Good morning, lovely people. It's been a minute. I haven't really been unpacking, as you can see. I just been preparing for this big test that I have to take, so I kind of gave unpacking a break. But I'm gonna unpack, I think, the patio today. So we're just gonna do little things at a time. We're not gonna try to do it all at once, because that's what I tried to do last time, and I kind of worn out myself. So
Suck.